This is all keys lost on a 2008 Renault Clio. This is a new key. Central locking doesn't work. So we're going to put it in. Turn the ignition on using Autel, connect it to the internet. So MO, accept, turn it down, go across to Renault. Then automatic selection, read. Okay, so that's the VIN. Clio 2, 2008, yes. So image state scan, we're going to clear any fault codes if we can. So quick erase. So add key. Switch hazards on and ignition off. Hazards on, ignition off. Okay. Switch ignition on. Okay. Program successful, program more keys, no. Switch ignition off, remove the key. Ignition off, remove the key. Okay. Please wait 5 seconds. Cycle key, start engine to complete procedure. So we'll put the key in, turn it on, off. There we go. So I'll just press OK here. So we'll escape, exit there. Switch that off, hazards off, and central locking should be in. There we go. Perfect.